I love RVing. I've spent my whole life doing it. My name is Rick Milliken from the great state of Alaska. So I started researching how to repair my own RV, how to properly purchase an RV and avoid some of the pitfalls you'd run into, and I stumbled against the NRVTA. Why not check out this school and see what it would take for me to understand more about my own RV, be able to fix some things, but more importantly, if we were going to upgrade, which we really wanted to, I never want to buy another rig without an inspection so I know what to expect. I made horrible buying decisions before because I didn't do an inspection. I didn't know what to look for, and I should have hired an inspector to come and check it out because I paid for it a second time later with all the repairs that I had to do. I was going to have to learn what to look for, and for 2 weeks, we learned how to go from the roof all the way to the undercarriage and everything in between, and really understand how things work. Anytime we move forward, I know how to look at these things and understand what I'm looking at to make an informed decision. And I want to help others do that. So if you've thought about it, repairing, inspecting, I really encourage you to come to the NRVTA. It will transform your life.